Difference between made of and made from. Made of is used when the original material does not much change. And here you can see the original material after processing. Let's see the example. Tables are made of wood. Our house is made of bricks. This pen is made of plastic. The bridge is made of steel. The ring is made of gold. Made from is used when the original material does change. You cannot see the original material after processing. So let's practice. Paper is made from trees. Wine is made from grapes. The glass is made from sand. The cheese is made from milk. And here you cannot see the original materials, trees, grapes, sand, milk after processing. And you can see the original material, wood, bricks, plastics, steel, gold after processing the table, house, pen, bridge and ring. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.